Hello guys, today we will show you 8 health benefits of turmeric. Medicinal advantages of turmeric were recognized many years agone by ancient Chinese and Indian drugs. Here we are going to state the foremost famed advantages that fashionable drugs has proven. Benefits of turmeric. Here square measure the foremost necessary medical advantages of turmeric, that we are going to define for you as follows, consistent with what studies have shown. 1. A powerful medicinal drug. It has been verified that among the advantages of turmeric is that it contains an oversized cluster of antioxidants, antiviral, germicidal, and fungi substances, additionally to containing anti-cancer and anti-inflammatory properties. That is why it's counseled as a natural treatment for inflammatory disease. Additionally, its associate degree antiseptic and bactericide agent that's helpful in cleansing wounds and burns and fasts their healing. It's a natural pain reliever. Because of its medicinal drug properties, I even have the subsequent benefits. Treats skin disorder, could facilitate treat psoriasis and different inflammatory skin conditions. Treats inflammatory disease, it's a natural remedy for arthritis and autoimmune disease. Asthma treatment, it will facilitate cut back inflammation related to respiratory illness. After you add a teaspoon of turmeric powder to a cup of heat milk, drinking this mixture is taken into account a good home technique to treat respiratory illness. Resisting colds. Associate degreed flu, as an antibacterial and antiviral substance, it makes it effective in fighting coughs, colds and influenza. Stimulates the system, helps stimulate the immune system within the body. Wound healing, helps heal wounds and burns and reshape broken skin, and may be used as a good natural antiseptic. With this, you'll be able to add a teaspoon of turmeric powder to a cup of heat milk and drink it before attending to bed to forestall any infections. Turmeric drink method for slimming. Turmeric is taken into account associate degree Asian plant, and a few are as known as Indian saffron, and it's famed scientifically as curcuma longa, and it's distinguished by its yellow color, and its several edges to the physical body. It's used as an appliance and is employed within the treatment of the many diseases, and it protects against a variety of others. One amongst its most noted uses is that it's utilized in getting ready slimming recipes. Volume 1/3 turmeric ingredients and contains a lot of vitamins, such as B complex, E, K, C, additionally to minerals, such as Zn, magnesium, potassium, calcium, chemical element, iron, and volatile oils such as Atlanta, zinperine, and turmeric. It includes curcuminoids, carbohydrates, water, oleic acid, curcumin, fatty acids and a few proteins. The advantages of turmeric for slimming: prevents the formation of animal tissue within the body. It burns fat accumulated within the body quickly and considerably, thanks to its ability to extend the assembly of digestive juice within the abdomen. Helps lose excess weight with a small diet and tiny effort. It provides the body a sense of satiation and loses its appetence as a result of it. Contains curcumin, that will increase the amount of the endocrine adiponectin, that is the endocrine answerable for eating disorder. The way to build a turmeric drink: 3 cups of water, a spoon of grated ginger, 3 tablespoons of turmeric powder. The way to prepare: bring a pot and place the ingredients in it, then place it on the fireplace and let it boil. Take away the mixture from the warmth and let it calm down, then keep it within the icebox. We have a tendency to drink a cup before breakfast, a cup before lunch, and a cup before reaching to sleep. General turmeric edges shield the body from the danger of cancer, such as internal organ cancer, carcinoma, adenocarcinoma, and carcinoma. As a result of it contains antioxidants and curcumin, that helps stop the activity of cancer cells and contribute to their destruction. Treats inflammatory disease. As a result of it contains antioxidants. Reduces the amount of dangerous steroid alcohol within the blood. Relieves joint pain and rheumatism. It eliminates harmful fungi, bacterium and toxins and passes them from the body. It protects against colds and viruses. As a result of it contains curcumin. It strengthens memory and nourishes the mind, so preventing Alzheimer's. It treats cases of chronic symptom, particularly watery symptom. It strengthens the systema alimentarium, facilitates digestion, prevents constipation and facilitates the emission method. It treats internal organ and abdomen disorders. It protects the arteries from infections, and it prevents induration. It protects the body from infection with infectious diseases, such as respiratory disease, because it strengthens the system as a natural antibiotic. Regulates the glucose level and maintains its traditional level, because it contains a hypoglycemic agent. It strengthens and stimulates the system within the body. It helps dilute blood and is another to salicylate. Nourishes the scalp and treats dandruff. It modifies mood and treats depression as a result of it contains curcumin, that will increase monoamine neurotransmitter within the brain.